Welcome back to the channel everybody, Sadman here again. Today we are going to be installing a protection kit under £20 from Belk. This protection kit is almost good with hard shell cover, keyboard cover, screen protector, touchpad cover, but almost good because no touch bar or touch ID cover. If that's not interesting, let's get started. As you can see, I'm just opening the packet. So let's just open it. There you go. As you can see, they have given us two touchpad, which does not make really sense, but anyway. And also they've given us two keyboard cover. One is without the touch bar and the other one is with the touch bar. So it does not really make sense because 2020 MacBook Pro are all with the touch bar. So I don't know, guys. And then we have the hard shell cover. And guys, now you ask you, where the hell is the screen protector? So guys, don't worry, let's just open this hard shell cover and let me just show you where it is. Here you are, the screen protector is here. Very flexible. This is the base one. And this is the top part. And the top part is also wrapped, so we need to unwrap it. There you go, I'm also unwrapping the screen protector. Okay, so now you have to grab a towel and just put at the bottom, just not scratch your MacBook. And then just grab a soft towel or even clothes, just clean the base. And now just install the base. You have to make sure that those two plastic parts are properly fitting on the MacBook so it does not move. Yeah, make sure that you hear that click. And also same goes for the front side. You have to make sure that those two plastic parts are fitted on the Mac. Once the base or bottom part is done, now it's time to install the top side or top part. So make sure that you clean properly, and also make sure you clean your MacBook with soft towel. I'm using my clothes, so I don't know why, but and make sure that those two sort of dents are in that position, as you can see. And also make sure that you hear click noise few times. Just make sure that everything is properly fastened. So as you can see, those two sort of dents are there, fitted. That means we are ready to go. Now we can just remove the towel and make sure it's properly fitted. So just move around, yeah, shake a bit, just press some parts. So just to make sure that everything is properly fitted. Okay, so now it's time to install the screen protector. As you can see, I'm cleaning with the wipers that they have provided us. And then just slowly install your screen protector. It will take you quite a while to install the screen protector, but take your time, slowly install it. It took me very long, guys. Once we have installed the screen protector, now it's time for the touchpad. I'm just cleaning the touchpad with the wipes that they have provided us. And now just opening it. There you go. And make sure it fits before installing it. So make sure it fits, because as they have provided two touchpad cover, one of them will not fit and the other one will. So make sure you find the right one. Okay, so this is the one that will fit. And now it's time to install it. Again, like the screen protector, take your time. This is really frustrating, the bubbles. So I'm just trying to get rid of as much as bubble as I can. But guys, still I got some bubbles left. And there you go, we are done. Find 2 keyboard cover in their package, and you already know which one to get. And before installing it, make sure you clean your keyboard with the wipes, or just use a soft towel, unwrap the keyboard and put on top, and that's it. It will automatically stick on it, so you don't have to worry about anything. And it's very important, guys, the keyboard cover as well. Just make sure you do install it. Just don't ignore it, because you might spill something on it, so just make sure it is protected. Now let me just give you 2 drawbacks of this protection kit from Belk. The first and the most frustrating drawback is that with this keyboard cover, it's much harder to type. You have to basically press firmer than normal. And also it does not stick properly on your keyboard. The second drawback that I found out is that on the screen protector, and same goes for the touchpad cover, they attract dust, guys. If you just leave your MacBook open or you use MacBook for about 15 minutes, you'll find your screen protector full of dust. They are a bit stickier, so therefore they attract dust. But apart from these 2 drawbacks, everything else is good. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.